Do 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 do. Okay, got 1 second left. Oh.
Jetstar 30, car. Jetstar 33, car. Jetstar 38, car. Jetstar 39, car. Jetstar 35, car. Jetstar 16, car. Jetstar 20, car. Get ready, going green. Green, green, green. Car right. Still there. Clear. Right side. Still there, hold your line. Clear on the right. Right side. Clear.
Sorry about that nudge in T2 there, Paul.
Nah, no worries, dude.
Hmm.
Right side. Clear on the right. Right side. Clear. Car right. Stay on the left. Clear.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Like, I don't know what you're really supposed to do in lobbies that you really probably shouldn't be in, you know? Oh, we're gonna gain a spot there.
Dang, Aaron. Why are you fighting him? Pushing him? We can't catch up.
New
Gustavo is
fast
fast.
lap for you.
You know, you're weaving an awful lot, buddy. You're going to end up getting checked up in the back here coming up. Pick a line, please.
Faster traffic approaching. Car on your left. Clear on the left. You're gaining on the car.
I self-spun.
The gap is 6.
But, like, it doesn't
8
matter, dude. This is like a lobby this shouldn't be in. They're a second. Everyone is over a second faster than me.
Clear on the right. Faster traffic approaching. Right side. Clear on the right. Right side. Clear. Faster traffic approaching. You're losing.
I don't really like. I don't know.
The gap is 8.8
G-
seconds.
GTP's like too sketchy for me. I don't know what's the best way to describe it, but yeah.
Car on your left. Stay on the right. Clear.
But like this is just, I just don't belong here. It's simple. Like I'm just not fast enough at all. Like it doesn't. Like I know the four. Like I heard like the four's like half a second off, but like that doesn't matter. Like I'm just that far off.
Slow car on the left. The car in front has gone off.
You got like any advice for Chicago? Because like I tried another A fix and I just wrecked myself in like 4 laps. Like I can't go more than 4 laps without just wrecking myself. So like I don't know what the hell I'm doing.
Faster traffic approaching. Right side. The leader is running.
Like the wreck in my A fix, I don't feel like I was over driving. The rear end just kicked out. But like if I feel like I feel way off the pace of like what I usually feel like at road courses. Like I feel like generally I can be like a second and a half from like Casey, but like I'm literally 3 seconds off him.
Car stop on the left. Car stopped ahead.
So I think the biggest problem for me it's so bouncy.
Faster traffic approaching. Car right. Clear.
Like I don't know. Like I saw you, I was watching your B fix a little bit just to see how I was driving. But like I don't know how bad like the bouncing feels in the Xfinity car, but it's so bad in the Cup car. Like I can get a 29, but then you get people like running like Casey's running 26 flat. I'm just like, like I'm not expecting to be within like a second of Casey, but still like I'm like there's no fucking shot. Oh no!
Car right.
Yeah.
Clear on the right.
Like I want to do one where, you know, I finish. Like I finished the SOF race. Yeah. Like I finished the SOF race one, but obviously you kind of,
What the hell, Queen?
I'm sure you saw what happened.
Just try my card, try my race.
Left side. Clear on the left. Right side. Stay on the left. Clear on the right.
Sorry, I thought you were gonna close the door on me big time.
Yeah. I know you can just have like half the people are like arguing who's at fault. I'm like, bro, it's not about who's at fault. The clip's funny as fuck, bro. Like, the reality is, I could have went slower through there, and Malik could have stayed still.
Right side. Clear.
Yeah, honestly.
Car 2 has taken the lead.
Do you think the webcam position's better? Just so you see the black box? Okay.
Faster traffic approaching.
Oh, we
There's an
bend it.
incident behind.
It's kind of crazy. Like, it doesn't feel great going through that kink, like full throttle. Like, I don't want to go full throttle through it. I've definitely reversed my opinions on NASCAR counting for road. I'd rather it just count for oval again. Because, like, when I try to do anything else, right, like, I'm just, like, I mean, you feel it too. It's just like, I'm nowhere near this where I need to be. Like, I'm not even racing. I'm just driving. You probably don't feel as bad, though, because you're faster. Ah! Wide. Oh, AJ, what did you do?
Faster traffic approaching. Car on your left. Clear.
I don't know if you saw, like, the pictures, but that one catfish was so big. But, like, around here, like, obviously I know there's, like, catfish that are, like, 10 feet long or whatever in the world, but for Michigan, like, I was like, holy crap. That was a big one.
Faster traffic approaching.
That was, like, the heaviest fish I've ever caught in fresh water.
Left side. Stay on the right. Clear.
Oh, that's cheeky. I wonder if you get a 1x for that.
Car right. Clear. Car on your left. Clear. Faster traffic approaching. Left side. Clear on the left. You have about 5 laps of fuel left. Faster traffic approaching. Car right. Clear.
Need to drag the brake a little longer there.
The leader just did a 46.039.
Oh, this is gonna be my fastest lap.
That was your fastest lap of the session. Faster traffic approaching.
Like a frame rate drop there.
Right side. Clear on the right. Faster car coming up quick. The car in front is pitting. Faster car coming up quick. Left side. Clear.
That was close.
Faster traffic approaching. Car on your left. Clear. It's going well. Keep at it.
What?
You've got about 2 laps of fuel. are losing on the car in front. The gap is 4.3 seconds. Pit box is early. Be ready.
Affirmative on the early.
Move it, move it. The leader's pitting now. The leader's pitting now. The leader's pitting now. The leader's pitting now. Faster traffic approaching. Car right. Clear. You got about 5 laps of fuel left. Faster traffic approaching. Right side. Clear.
Damn, that thing is quick to the bus stop.
Faster traffic approaching. Car on your left. Clear on the left. Car right. Keep to the left. Clear. Right side. Still there. Clear on the right. Faster traffic approaching. Left side. The leader is running. 46.118. Clear on the left. Faster car coming up quick.
Fuck, sorry.
Faster traffic approaching. Left side. Clear on the left. Car right. Clear. Car right. Clear on the right. White flag. One more lap to
Oh,
go.
thank God.
Dude, I'm so sorry.
You got a slow car on the right. You got a slow car on the right.
Oh, there's a GT3.
Group of faster cars approaching.
Sorry, no, I wasn't going for a move there. You caught me out on the brakes a bit.
You got about 2 laps
Thank
of
you,
fuel
Justin.
left. Car on your left. Clear
You're
on
not
the
the
left.
first one who hit me there.
Left side.
Yeah, no
Keep to
worries,
the
man.
right.
It's all good.
Clear on the left. Faster car coming up quick. Car right. Clear on the right.
Nice race done.
Nice race, nice race.
Guys, if you want to have the
Group of
good,
faster cars
Oh
approaching.
god.
if you got time, go have a look at my replay from the
Car
beginning
right.
of the race till the end.
Clear.
It was juice.
Oh, that was kind of boring. Just really don't belong in top split.
All right, there's the checkered flag. Bring it back to the pits. We're going.
Oh, not built for this.